outside. Wow. I love this now. Customer footprints. We know who come. Oh my gosh. I'm just obsessed. You can't see the mountains, but they're so beautiful. Guys, we have like the snow as my background. Hi guys, welcome to breemaquillage. I'm Bree, your resident son of a just kidding. I'm Bree. I'm the owner of breemaquillage, the makeup shop and salon, kind of. Hi. Are we loving this? Airbrush makeup, man. Game changer. Anyway, I need to find something to put this in because my hand is getting tired. One moment. So today is Black Friday. I'm so excited. This is our first Black Friday open. We had a lot of people when I opened. We sold out of lashes. We have so many deals. So I'm gonna go ahead and compile a list of savings. And the great thing about this deal is that I'm not gonna have different deals for Cyber Monday or shop small or anything like that. We're gonna have one deal, so it's easy to remember, that will last until Cyber Monday. So it's gonna be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The most fun part, I thought this was like such a fun idea. Husband agreed. He never agrees with me on anything. So anyway, I thought it would be so fun to let someone have a whole order for free because I love to give away free things. Because I love free things, so I want to give away free things all the time. So my giveaway or contest, I don't really know what to call it. It might be a giveaway. So the person every single day, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, each day, I'm going to take the highest order, purchase order. I'm gonna take the highest amount order and refund the order. So that means that if you are the highest order, I'm gonna go ahead and refund that, but still send all of your stuff so you get your whole order for free. So spend more, get more, and you might literally win your entire order for free. So let's talk about what we have, and yeah. All right, are you guys ready for the deals? Okay, so I wrote down, I have a cheat sheet. Okay, I wrote it down. So sunglasses are $15 normally. So today you can get sunglasses for $6 each. Bruh. Wow. I mean, those should be sold out, basically. That's what you're trying to say. All of our jewelry is $10. And if you were to get anything, that would be $4 a piece today. So saving $6 there. And on the 15, you save $9, I think. I can't do math. $9. Okay, and then let's go on over here to my favorite place in the store is our palette wall. Just kidding, the flower wall is my favorite, but they're like close to each other, so if you stand here, you're like in both places, you know? Okay, so our palettes are normally $25, and today they are $10 palettes, $10, $10. I use the Femme Fatale on my eyes today. I use a combination of the Femme Fatales, the Glitter Shock Liquid Shadows, and the glitter eyeliner, which is $5. And guess what? $5 is now $2. You can get this glitter eyeshadow for $2. $2. Speaking of $2, guess what's normally $2? I'm so excited. I can't speak. My lip liners and pencil eyeliners, usually $2. They're 80 cents. This whole thing for 80 cents, no brainer. Buy as many of these as you can. My favorites are, so this is $2.41, this color, and then $2.64, this like mauve-y taupe. It's a taupe mauve. And then to outline and make Big Lips 252, which is brown. And then my absolute fave for everything is 248 right here. Okay, so those are my favorite, but we have all of these different colors. So take your pick, and then these are our liners if you're looking for purples, blues, greens, whites, blacks, nudes, all of those. 80 cents. 80 cents. 80 cents. Okay, I'm done. I didn't do the math on what 60% off of 7 is, but the 5 was $2, so I'm gonna assume like $2 and something, close to $3-ish for these, which are stunning. We are almost sold out, so I would jump on these as soon as you can. Get all of the colors today, like they're amazing. Remember Me palettes are usually $25, and they are of course our $10 today. Get your Remember Me for $10. $10. It's she went through a lot during Halloween, but oh my gosh, guys, $10. $10. How can I stress this enough? Okay, Beauty Blender Duo, if you're in the need for a beauty blender because yours is a little bit holy. We know, we've been there. This is normally $10, so they are $4 for 2. That's $2 per sponge. What? Excuse me. What? Okay, then we come over here. These are my favorite oils ever, and they are $4 right now. Jump on those. These sprays are normally $15, and you can walk away with them for, I forgot, I'm so bad at math, $6 for the micro dot spray. And then this is just like unscented if you are into that kind of thing. I know that holidays are coming. There's someone out there in their car like, when is that girl doing? Being crazy. These are only $4 right now. They're so cute if you are gonna be in the mood for an ear cuff for summer, for parties, for raves, gifts for a friend. These are only $4 right now. And then we have all of these are only $4 right now. Guys, these are Victoria's Secret dupes for $4. Yeah. If you want the dupe for the Love Spell, this is Panthera Rose. That is the exact dupe. And you need it, basically. I need to focus on what is online. The $5 concealer and foundation. Guys, we are running low. I will restock this, but we had people come in today. I was color matching all morning, and obviously you can tell who shops here, but we are running low on those, but I do have a couple colors left. Can I help you? They're honking now. Okay, $5, so you can get that for $2. $2. $2 for foundation. Bitch. Excuse me? What? And then our entire collection of the Floral Bloom, which is literally my ride, die, and live, and life, and blood. $10. Get all 3. It'll cost $5 more than buying one at original price if you buy the whole collection right now. So that is our deal. Those are our deals. I don't know how to speak, guys. Oh, if you want a good blending brush, this is my favorite brush. It's the Cara 17, and they are only $4 today. So I'd like, seriously guys, really jump on this, because I'm not going to do another 60% off, and we're gonna tone down on the 50% off sales until next year, until Black Friday. And at that point, we honestly might not even have the same things. We might not even have the same deals. Like, it could be a completely different thing, because we've been in business for less than a year and it's already changed so drastically. So I just want to let you know, like, really, if you want something, jump on it. A lot of the things that I'm talking about, I'm not restocking. The only things that I have been restocking are the Floral Blooms, the eyeliner, and the Femme Fatale, and the Remember Me When I Can. I'm really not restocking. Oh, and foundation, but they keep flying off the shelves. Oh, and someone came in, and I had stacks of lashes, and she picked up both of them and walked to the register, and she bought all of them. The only ones that I have left are these like baby doll looking ones, and I only got those because I know people like to do baby doll looks or something. So, oh, Christmas gifts would be perfect right now. You can get the gel size. This is 10, so that's 4, about 3, and 2. So you could get a glitter for $2. So if you are in the mood to custom make a glitter, please tell me. I'll make any color that you want. If you want one of our pre-mades, get on those fast because those are actually all almost sold out. Like, there's not a lot left, and those I can't make again because they're like pre-made and they're custom, so you know, but we'll have more, obviously. So what am I saying? Words are hard. Anyway, basically, you guys, we have the best deal of the year going on right now. It's only gonna last till Monday, so really make an order ASAP Rocky, and you could be one of the lucky winners to get a full refund for your order. So that's so exciting. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I hope Thanksgiving was wonderful. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting me, and letting me live my dream life. And I can't wait to tell you and show you what we have in store. That was all my in-store deals. All my online store deals are online. Wow. Wait, what's that video? Wow. Anyway, so I love you guys. Oh, also, one more announcement. Petit Cafe du Jour has entered into the real life space. We have our online store, petitcafedujour.com, and there's mugs and reusable straws and tumblers, and it's really precious. And now you can buy in store. Mugs are available right now. We're waiting for shipments to come in of everything, but with every purchase of a mug or a coffee like thing, like a tumbler or anything, you get a free cup of joe from the Keurig. You can also buy the Keurig things while you're here. So come here, chill, hang out, let's have some fun. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I should like put this up here and then try to make an outro. Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh Lordy. Oh Lordy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Thank you guys so much for coming and letting me live my life here in my beautiful store. Have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you guys in store and online. Bree Maquillage. We're at 676 East Union Square in Sandy, Utah, if you are local, or online at www.breemaquillage.com. Bye, guys. I'm just gonna go. I gotta go. Bye. Just kidding. I'm back.